Hey, welcome back to the Schmitty750 YouTube channel. Right there. That's what it says. So I'm just gonna get a quick update on the Nova. I know we haven't done a video on the Nova in a long time. So what we got going on here? We have a new vacuum pump right here that is not completely installed. Had to cut a hole in the motor plate to get it to mount properly. And we'll be running a crank trigger. These are not tightened up all the way. I gotta get a little tap and clean up those holes in that balancer. And then this wire off of our non-magnetic pickup right here, that will go to the MSD grid. Also could go to a 6AL, 7AL3, or whatever kind of ignition timing you have. Next on the list is where we cut out these evac tubes from the old evac system and welded in some stainless pieces that I cut off of some extra tubing that I had, exhaust tubing that I had, and shaped them, welded them into place. I'm a terrible welder, so it's been grinded a lot. Next, we have to install the V pulley for the, this will be the drive pulley for the vacuum pump. And it also comes with all kinds of spacers and stuff. I've already got it straightened up, lined up in line with the pump. And you also have like a little cog gear here in case you want to run an alternator or a water pump, which this car has none of those. This is the catch can for the vacuum pump. It's either going to get mounted up underneath the, up against the firewall right here, or maybe up front next to the radiator. But yeah, not doing any work on the car today on camera. Just a little update of how the car's coming. Make sure you keep your parachute unpacked if you're going to be down for a little while. You don't want it to get the memory of this bag right here. Then it might not work when you pull the parachute handle. All of this stuff will be going away. We'll have a race pack data logger will be going in place of all these gauges and the tach. And 7AL3 will be gone as well, and we'll have a new switchboard, which I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I'll move the nitrous controller, put the switches here, not too sure, still working on that. And last but not least, my favorite part, as everybody knows, I hate wiring. So we have all of these wires, all of our relays right here. So all of this stuff is gonna have to get installed, and that's gonna suck. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, that's pretty too.